Fishing with tip-ups is a fun, exciting way to go ice fishing. Traditional tip-ups are made of two cross pieces that sit over the hole in the ice and an upright piece that holds the reel and the flag. The reel is typically spooled with braided line. From here, a 2 or 3 foot monofilament leader can be tied to the braided line using a barrel swivel. A hook can then be tied to the end of the leader, and a split shot can be attached about 12 to 18 inches above the hook. The split shot helps sink the bait and keep it at the desired depth you plan to fish. To determine the depth, attach a heavy sinker or depth sounder to the hook and lower it to the bottom. Raise the weight to the desired depth and attach a small bobber or bobber stop to mark the depth on the line. Now you can set the bait at the same depth on the next drop. Fishing 2 or 3 feet off the bottom is usually pretty effective. Live minnows are one of the most common baits and can be hooked right under the dorsal fin. Lower the bait, set the flag, and place the tip-up in the hole. Check your tip-ups periodically to make sure your bait is still on, and clear ice and slush from the hole. On a cold day, they can easily get frozen in. When a flag pops up, check to see if you've got a fish by lifting the tip-up out of the hole and setting it to the side. Slowly start pulling the line out of the hole until you feel resistance. Then set the hook by swiftly jerking upward, continuing to pull your catch in by hand. For more information on ice fishing techniques and places to fish, visit our website.